Dear students, welcome to the Maths class. In the previous class, we have studied the multiplication of fractions. That is the multiplication of fraction by a whole number and multiplication of fraction by a fraction, and also we have studied the of function. In this section, we will study some properties of multiplication of two fractions, and also we will study the division of fraction. Let us recall the multiplication of fractions. See here, few questions I wrote it on the board. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. These two are proper fractions. When you multiply these two proper fractions, you just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we know that 2 4s are 8 divided by 3 into 5, 15. We got the answer 8 by 15. Let us see the next one. 3 by 5 into 7 by 8. We know that multiply the numerator 3 into 7, 21 divided by 5 into 8, 40. So 21 by 40. These two are proper fractions. Now observe these two products. Here we got 8 by 15. When you multiply these two proper fractions, we got 8 by 15. Thus, you just compare the product and each fraction. We can see that this 8 by 15 is smaller than each fraction. 8 by 15 is less than 2 by 3. When you compare these two fractions, you can see that 2 by 3, you have to write it in the equivalent form. Then it will be 8 by 15. Here, multiply by 5, then it will be 10 by 15. When you compare these two fractions, you can see that 2 by 3 is greater. And when you compare 4 by 5 and 8 by 15, 4 by 5 means when you write it in the equivalent fraction, it will be 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So 12 by 15 is greater than 8 by 15. So from this we can understand when you multiply two proper fractions, the product is less than each of the fractions. Just observe the second one. Here the product is 21 by 40. When you compare each of these fractions, you can see that 3 by 5, the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, here we want to get the denominator 40. So we have to multiply by 8. So 3 by 5 into 8 by 8, which is equal to 24 by 40. That is greater than 21 by 40. So we can write 21 by 40 is smaller than or less than 3 by 5. When you compare these two, here 7 by 8. 7 by 8, the equivalent fraction is we have to multiply by 5. So 35 by 40. 7 5s are 35 and 8 5s are 40. So 21 by 40 is less than 35 by 40. That means less than 7 by 8. So from these two examples, we can say that the product of two proper fraction is less than each of the fractions. Here 8 by 15 is less than 2 by 3. It's also less than 4 by 5. And 21 by 40 is less than 3 by 5. It's also less than 7 by 8. You know how to compare two fractions. You have to make the denominator same, or you have to write it in the equivalent form. Equivalent fraction you have to write. Then you have to compare it. And now check the next two examples. 7 by 3 into 5 by 2. What type of fraction is these two? They are improper fraction because the denominator is smaller than the numerator. So they are improper fraction. We are multiplying two improper fractions. We know how to multiply two fractions. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So 7 into 5, 35 divided by 3 into 2, 6. 35 by 6. Is this product is less than or greater than each of the product? Let us check it. Here 7 by 3, here the denominator is 6. So you have to write the equivalent fraction of 7 by 3. 7 by 3, the equivalent fraction, if you multiply by 2, you will get the denominator 6. 7 2s are 14. So it will be 14 by 6. And next one is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 multiply by 3. So you will get the denominator 6 and 5 3s are 15. Now compare this. 35 by 6 is greater than 14 by 6. It's also greater than 15 by 6. The product is when you multiply two improper fraction, the product is greater than each of the fraction. So we can say that 35 by 6 is greater than 7 by 3. It's also greater than second fraction, which is that 5 by 2. See the next one. 6 by 5 into 4 by 3. These two also improper fractions. So it will be, the product will be 6 4s are 24 divided by 5 3s are 15. 24 by 15. Check it whether it is greater or smaller. Here 6 by 5 means you want to get the denominator 15. So you have to multiply by 3. Numerator and denominator multiply by 3. So it will be 18 by 15. And next one is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 multiply by 5, then only you will get the denominator 15. 4 5s are 20 by 15. See, 18 by 15 and next one is 20 by 15. Both are smaller than 25 by 15. That means the product is greater than each of the fractions. So from these two examples, it's clear that we can say that the product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the fractions. So we saw two properties. Product of two proper fraction is always less than each of the fractions. Product of two improper fraction is always greater than each of the fractions. Then what will happen if one proper fraction and one improper fraction is multiplied? A proper fraction multiplied by a improper fraction, what will be the product? What is the proper value of the product? Let's see. See here, 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. 5 by 4 is a improper fraction. When you multiply a proper fraction and improper fraction, we will get the product is 2 5s are 10 divided by 3 4s are 12. 10 by 12. When you compare these fractions, 2 by 3, the equivalent fraction is 2 by 3. If you multiply by 4, it will be 8 by 12 and 5 by 4. If you multiply by 3, we will get 15 by 12. Now compare these three fractions, the product and each fraction. When you compare, you can see that 10 by 12, that is the product, that will be greater than 8 by 12. 10 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. Then 10 by 12 is smaller than 15 by 12. When you compare the fractions, we see that the product is greater than one of the fraction, that is proper fraction. 8 by 12 means that is 2 by, the fraction is 2 by 3. 10 by 12 greater than 2 by 3. 10 by 12 is less than 15 by 12. 15 by 12, the equivalent fraction is 5 by 4. So 10 by 12 is less than 5 by 4. It's clear that the product of a proper fraction and improper fraction, the product is greater than the proper fraction, but the product is less than the improper fraction. Now let us do some problems. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So in this question, it's given for you, there are 4 saplings in a row. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Then what will be the distance between the first and the last? So it's a word problem. You have to write the step. The first step is number of saplings. In a row. In a row. That is equal to 4. Then distance between two adjacent saplings. That is equal to 3 by 4 meter. So there are 4 saplings in a row. The distance between each one is 3 by 4 meter. The distance between first and second is 3 by 4 meter, and second and third is 3 by 4 meter distance, and third and fourth is 3 by 4 meter. So total distance from 1 to 4, the distance between first sapling to the fourth sapling, that is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is adding 3 times. So instead of adding 3 times, we can use the multiplication. So the distance between first and last sapling is equal to 3 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 4. The mixed form, now it is an improper fraction. You can write the answer in the mixed form, mixed fraction. So 9 by 4, 9 by 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder. So 2 into 1 by 4. The mixed form is 2 into 1 by 4 meter. The distance between first and the last sapling is 2 into 1 by 4 meter, or you can say 9 by 4 meter. Next, we will discuss about the division of fraction. Before doing division of fraction, we want to know about the reciprocal of a fraction. What is a reciprocal of a fraction? The number 2 by 1 is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2. Interchanging the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2. So the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. The number 2 by 3. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is, when you interchange the numerator and denominator, we will get the reciprocal. So in reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. The reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. When you interchange the numerator and denominator of the fraction, we will get the reciprocal. Now just observe this product of these two numbers, the number and its reciprocal. 2 by 1 into 1 by 2. What is the answer? 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 twos are 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. And 2 by 3 into the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. The product of these two will be equal to 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 2s are 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1. And same way you can see the product of 4 by 5 into 5 by 4, which is equal to 4 5s are 20 by 5 4s are 20. 20 by 21. Or you can use the cutting method. The common factors will be cancelled. 1 4s are 4. And here also 1. What is the answer? 1. You can use the cutting method. Then directly you can write the answer. So in these all examples, you can see that the product of the number and its reciprocal is always 1. So we can say that the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 is called the reciprocal of each other. So tell me, what is the reciprocal of 5? So the 5 means it will be already 5 by 1. So the reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. That means the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. And what is the reciprocal of 7? The reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 9? That will be equal to 9 by 1. That means 9 by 1 is 9 itself. Just say the reciprocal of these numbers. 1 by 8. The reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1, which is equal to 8. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 is equal to 7 by 2. Reciprocal of 8, which is equal to reciprocal of 8, that is 8 means 8 by 1. So reciprocal of 8 is, here numerator is changed to denominator. Denominator will change to numerator. Here denominator is 1. So 8, the reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means it's 5 itself. Okay. 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. I hope that you understand the reciprocal of a fraction. Now, we can discuss about the division of a fraction. Division of a whole number by fraction, a fraction by another fraction, that all we can discuss now. The division of a whole number by a fraction. For example, 1 divided by 1 by 2. To divide this 1 by 1 by 2, first you have to write the reciprocal of right hand fraction. You have to take the reciprocal of right hand fraction. Then change the division to multiplication, the inverse of division process. So 1 divided by 1 by 2, 1, division change to multiplication. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Now multiply as it is. 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 1. 2 is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. See the next example. 3 divided by 4 by 5. 3 divided by 4 by 5, which is equal to 3. You should take the reciprocal of the fraction, second fraction, that means a right hand fraction. And when you take the reciprocal, you should change the division sign. The division change to multiplication. So now it will be multiplication, reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 5 by 4. So 3 into 5 by 4. That is equal to 3 5s are 15 by 4. Multiply the numerator and the whole number and keep the denominator as same. 3 by 4. Can check the another example. 7 divided by 7 by 8, which is equal to 7. Division change to multiplication. Reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 8 by 7. So 7 into 8 by 7, you can use the cutting method. These 7 and 7 will be cancelled because 7 by 7 is 1. Or you can multiply 7 into 8, 56 by 7. 56 by 7 is equal to 8. Both way you can do it. You can use the cutting method or you can use the direct method. If you are using cutting method, 7 into 8 by 7, the 7 and 7 cancel, then what is remaining? 1 8 is 8. Both way you can answer it. Next one is 4 divided by 2, 2 by 5. A whole number is divided by a mixed fraction. So if it is a mixed fraction, first you change it to improper fraction, then do it. So it will be 4 divided by mixed fraction, change it to improper. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. Mixed fraction, change into improper fraction. Then do the take the reciprocal and multiply. So 4, take the reciprocal and multiply. So 4 into reciprocal of 12 by 5 is 5 by 12. So 4 5s are 20 by 12. 20 by 12, there is a common factor 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So the lowest form is 5 by 3. Or you can use the cutting method, 4 into 5 by 12. In 4 and 12, there is a common factor 4. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So 1 5 is 5 divided by 3. Both the answers are same. You can practice this method, cutting method, that is easy for your calculation will be more easy. And if you are confused with this, you can continue with the same. But when you are practicing, try this method also, cutting method also. See one more question. 5 divided by 3, 1 by 3. Here, first you have to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 5 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. So mixed fraction, first we change it to improper fraction. Now 5 divided by 10 by 3, whole number dividing by a fraction. So you have to take the reciprocal of the right hand side fraction and multiply with the whole number. So it will be 5 into reciprocal of 10 by 3 is 3 by 10. So 5 into 3 by 10, that is equal to 15 by 10, which is equal to, there is a common factor 5. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. 3 by 2 is the answer. If you are using cutting method, 5 into 3 by 10. In 5 and 10, there is a common factor 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So what is left here? 1 into 3, 3 divided by denominator only 2. So 3 by 2. Next we can see the division of a fraction by a whole number. For example, 2 by 7 divided by 10. 2 by 7 divided by 10. A fraction divided by whole number. Same procedure we have to use. You should write 2 by 7. Take the reciprocal of the second number. The reciprocal of the right hand number, that is 10. Reciprocal of 10, we know it, 1 by 10. Then when you take the reciprocal, the division sign will change to multiplication. Take the reciprocal and multiply with the first fraction. So 2 by 7, division change to multiplication. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So 2 by 7 into 1 by 10. You can use the cutting method here. 2 is common factor. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. So which is equal to 2 by 7 5s are 35. Sorry, not 2. 1 1 is 1. 1 by 35. 2 and 10. 2 is the common factor. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. Then 1 is left here. 1 into 1, 1. 7 into 5, 35. So the answer is 1 by 35. Let us see few more examples. 3 by 4 divided by 3. So 3 by 4, division change to multiplication. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of the second number. Always you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction or second number, whatever it is. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 and 3 cancel. Then what is left here? 1 by 4. Next, 2 by 3 divided by 7. So 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. That is equal to, there is no common factors. 2 ones are 2 divided by 3 sevens are 21. So the answer is 2 by 21. 5 by 7 divided by 6. 5 by 7. What is the next? Take the reciprocal and multiply. So reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. So 5 by 7 into 1 by 6. 5 ones are 5 divided by 7 6 are 42. There is no common factor. So the answer is 5 by 42. The next one is a mixed fraction is divided by a whole number. If it is a mixed fraction, first you should change it to improper fraction. So the question you can write it as mixed fraction, change it to improper. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 divided by 5. First change the improper mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now 8 by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 8 by 3 into reciprocal of 5. That is into reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. There is no common factor, so directly you can 8 ones are 8 divided by 3 5s are 15. The next one. 4 into 2 by 5 divided by 3. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22 by 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 22 by 5 into 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Multiply with the reciprocal. So, there is no common factor. So, the answer is 22 by 15. See the next one. 2 3 by 5 divided by 2. The mixed fraction change it to improper. Then it will be 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 divided by 2. Which is equal to 13 by 5. Reciprocal of 2 is, take the reciprocal of 2 and multiply. So 13 by 5 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 10. So now we see that how to divide a whole number by a fraction, a whole number by a mixed fraction by a whole number, and a fraction by a whole number. Then if we want to divide a fraction by another fraction. For example, 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. A fraction divided by another fraction. Same method only we are following. Just to take the reciprocal of the second number or reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply to the first. So it will be 1 by 3 into reciprocal of second fraction is, reciprocal is 5 by 6. The reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. So 1 by 3 into 6 by 5. Multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction with the first one. So 1 by 3 into 6 by 5, which is equal to, there will be a common factor 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So 1 into 2, 2 divided by 1 into 5, 5. 2 by 5 is the lowest form. Next question. 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Multiply with that. So 8 by 5, division change to multiplication, and the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. No, there is no common factor. There is a common factor 2. So you can cancel that. 1, 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Then what is left? 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 1s are 5. So the answer is 12 by 5. Next, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3, which is equal to, there is a common factor 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 2 is 2 divided by 1 3 is 3. The answer is 2 by 3. Then tell me the answer of the next one. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 3 by 5 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 6 by 5. See the next question. 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. A mixed fraction divided by a fraction. So first you change the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then do it. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, which is equal to 5 5s are 25 divided by 2 3s are 6. And here a mixed fraction is divided by another mixed fraction. So both you have to change it to improper. So the 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3, which is equal to 16 by 5 into reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. There is no common factor, so multiply and write 16 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 is carry over. 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4. 48 divided by 25. So dear students, hope that you understand the division of fraction. Today we have learned the product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied. And the product of two improper fractions is greater than each of the two fractions. Also, the product of a proper and an improper fraction is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. Then we studied the reciprocal of a fraction. If the product of two fractions is 1, then each of the fractions is called the reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal of a fraction can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. For example, the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Reciprocal of 1 by 9 is 9. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. And The reciprocal of a mixed fraction can be found by changing the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So, for example, the reciprocal of 3 1 by 5, that is, you have to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So the improper fraction of 3 1 by 5 is 16 by 5. So the reciprocal of 3 1 by 5 is equal to reciprocal of 16 by 5. So the reciprocal of 3 1 by 5 is 5 by 16. Then we discuss about the division of a fraction. While dividing a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Example, 2 divided by 3 by 5, which is equal to 2 into 5 by 3. That is equal to 10 by 3. And the second one is, while dividing a fraction by a whole number, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Example, 2 by 3 divided by 7, which is equal to 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 7, that is 1 by 7. So the answer is 2 by 21. Then, while dividing one fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other. Example, 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7. That is equal to 2 by 3 into reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 7 by 5. So 2 sevens are 14 divided by 3 fives are 15. Dear students, you have to write these notes in your notebook and study the division of a fraction. Then you have to write your worksheet in the notebook. Today's your worksheet is exercise 2.3, question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. And exercise 2.4, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today you have two exercises, exercise 2.3 and exercise 2.4. So complete your notes and worksheet today itself and the next day send it to me. Thank you.